Hi guys, Carlo here, and today another episode on CRO. Now I'm a little bit excited about CRO in the next 2 months, but another follow up on CRO, another little analysis. So CRO minus 50% in 4 weeks. That's amazing. In this episode, 50% in 4 weeks. Does the story repeat itself? Target end of April 2021. Now, this is not a financial advice. Make your own decision, take your own risk. So this is what I'm going to do. Please make your own calculation studies and decide yourself. Thanks. Let's go. Now, the 13th of October 2020, Cryptocom made this announcement. They fundamentally reduced drastically the amount of earning reward from almost 18%, in some cases 20%, to just 6%. That was a shock for the CRO community. There were a lot of polemics in the web, and so immediately after, Crypto.com came with this news on CRO. So they slightly increased the benefit from 6% to 10% just on the CRO staken in the exchange. So this was a shock. And despite this little increase, people were still upset. Also consider that in the earnings section, as also that's the situation today, you can only generate 6% of benefit. And in the staking, you can only generate 10%. I'm not sure where this 12% is coming from, but actually what you gain is 10% interest rate per year. This is nice, but is far below what happens if just in the earnings section, for instance, you stake in Crypto.com Tether. So you gain 14% if you stake some CRO. So there is all the interest not to stake a CRO, but maybe focus on Bitcoin. They give you a wealthy 6.5 plus 2% if you stake CRO. So there are other areas where you may be more interested in staking your coin. And clearly a lot of people were really disappointed to see a cut of 50% of their staking. So what happened? So this is the picture just before the announcement, October 12th. The price of CRO was 0.15. In November, so 1 month later, you see what happened. So it was a massive sharp decline. So it was the price was not the minimum, but the minimum was touched around December. But the price went down to 0.066, and a lot of people, including myself, were thinking that the project was gone. This depends on which is your benchmark, but is a reduction between 50 and 57% of the stock of the CRO value over just as little as 1 month. Now the good news is if you look at the previous video with the revolution that is going to happen next week, you know that this reward is coming back to 20%. And you know that this burning story, in my opinion, has been by far underappreciated by the market. So I do expect this in the very short term. I do expect a first step, that is the price sharply going up to 0.35. You know that this was my prediction a couple of days ago, and since then we are still seeing a climbing the price. So while recording, the price is around 0.23, so is already 20% roughly up. in few days. So it seems that the climbing is going straight to this point, but this is not all. If we assume that as and this is what I'm anticipating, that once this API, so the interest return, will come back to 20%, that is exactly what create the appetite around CRO before. I do see that we do see a reversal of what we have seen from October to December last year. So I do expect that sharply there will be a lot of people that are looking to something that may be a little bit more stable over time, and CRO, thanks to the burning, will provide possibly this opportunity. And so I believe that the wave of money that is landing on CRO will substantially at least let the price climb another 50%. So I gave you already my target for next week, $0.35. Today, my new assumption is that the price will go by the end of April to at least 0.52. So again, this is not a financial advice. Make your own investment. This is my bet for the next 2 months. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.